All right, this is another solve the equation. So what we're going to do, we're going to follow our steps. First thing we need to look at is if we distribute, and if we see parentheses, that's what we're going to do. So we do distribute here because I see that we have parentheses next to that -3. So here's what we'll do. I'm going to go ahead and create a text box, and we're going to go ahead and make sure, first of all, that it works for our problem. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to bring down our -8x. Okay, we're saying -3 times 2 is going to be -6x. We're going to say -3 times 1 is going to be, sorry, I thought I had a negative. Sorry, we said negative, there's not one right, -6x. Okay, we've got, again, -3 times 1 is going to be -3. Okay, and then we're done with the parentheses. So we're going to go ahead and bring down that equal sign. And then we're going to bring down our 67. Okay, so in this case, I've already got that set up. I'm going to go ahead and increase this a little bit just so that we can see it better. Okay, so that is our new problem here. I'll make it even bigger because I'm going to have to draw. And we know how good I am at drawing. So that didn't change the size at all. This is great. We may just go with it. Okay, that's a little bit better at least. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to sort through our terms like we've been doing. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line just so that we can see it a little better. Okay, and we'll go through and we will sort starting with our -8. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that -8 down. I'm going to put it in a text box here and we'll do our -8. Let's do our -8 in black just so that we have a few different colors here. And we will make that a 12-inch. Okay, so we're going to start with our -8x. Okay, we're going to go ahead. Next comes our -6x. And I'm just going left to right like I've been doing. Well, that -3 doesn't go in with our x's, so it's got to switch the sides. Remember, when I switch the side, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to switch the sign. I'm going to make these terms red or make these terms black just so that we can see them again a little better as different terms. So we put our -3 over here. It's going to become a +3. I go over to my other side of the equal sign. I've got a 67. 67 is going to stay just on the same side it's on. And then we're going to go ahead and combine our like terms. So I have 8. I'm going to separate that down. 8 plus, and -8 plus -6 is -14. Okay. I've got 3 plus 67. And 3 plus 67 is going to be 70. Okay. Make sure, one of the things I forgot to do is when I brought that down, I forgot to bring down that x. And I need to know that I'm going to take that 70 divided by my -14x. When I do that, I am going to get an answer of y, or x, equals 5, or -5 actually. So we're saying that when I do 70 divided by -14x, I am going to get x. It doesn't want to draw. X equals -5. All right, go ahead and do number 3 on your paper now.